Hi guys, it's Ariane, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make these little ice pops. They're keto, they are sugar-free, and they are super refreshing and delicious. We're gonna make these with strawberry and lime in a coconut cream. Oh, super easy. Very, very nice treat. Before we do anything, if you could sub, I'd really appreciate that. Turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. Let's make this. We're gonna use unsweetened coconut cream for these pops. This is different from coconut milk, guys. It's just thicker, okay? And you can find it in the Asian aisle of the supermarket, or I'll put a link at the bottom if you want to purchase it through me, and I get a tiny commission through Amazon. I put a can in the refrigerator overnight so it's nice and cold. By the way guys, this is 13.66 fluid ounces, 403 milliliters, okay? We're also going to use powdered sweetener. I'm going to use this Swerve confectioners. You can use whatever brand you want. Same as the milk, I'll put a link to this at the bottom of the video. If you can't find it, you can use granulated. This is gonna make sure that the pop has no grittiness to it, okay? I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of that. I'm also going to add 12 little strawberries. Guys, if you have big strawberries, you don't need to put 12, maybe 6. Sometimes strawberries are enormous. These are tiny. I love them. They're super sweet. I'm not gonna remove the stems. These little leaves are loaded in good stuff for you. They have lots of vitamins and all kinds of good things for your health. We're not even gonna know they're in there. They're also very good, by the way, for upset tummies and things like that. Just make sure that the strawberries are washed well. And that is absolutely up to you. If you want to take them off, that's fine. I'm leaving these on. I'm going to zest about half a teaspoon of lime in here. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of lime juice. Let's go blend this. I'm just gonna taste this to make sure it's sweet enough. You know, when things freeze, they do lose their sweetness, so. No, I'm gonna add a little more sweetener to this. I'm gonna add another tablespoon. And I'm also gonna add a pinch of salt. All right, I'll blend this again and I'll come back. Guys, now it's fine, and that's about it. Now we're gonna put them in our molds. You can use any size pop mold that you have. I have these little ones. I love them because they're big enough to take away the edge, and I don't overeat. What I'm gonna do is fill them. Again, use whatever mold you want, and then I'm going to put the little stick in, and I'm going to freeze these until tomorrow, and then we will enjoy them. I got 27 of these little pops. I think if you're making the normal size, you're probably gonna get around 6. Okay, so I'm gonna freeze these and I'll see you tomorrow. These have been in the freezer for 6 hours, guys, and they're ready, and I don't wanna wait until tomorrow. So all I do with this mold is push them up. And they are pretty, aren't they? Oh, they're so cute. Let's taste these. Yummy. What a treat. I don't need a bigger one. All I want is to get that, hankering for something sweet out of my system, and this will do it. Plus, it's so refreshing, and there's no aftertaste, which I like. I hope you make these, guys. As I said, you can make them any size you want. I think you will enjoy them. I'll see you later.